What's up, guys? I just got a package today from GoPro. Black Friday, so I'm kind of excited to open it right now. Kind of sucks. I'm unprepared. I'm using a plastic knife. Let's see. Can't wait. I've been dying for a GoPro device for a long time. Damn. For a long time. I'm pretty excited to open it up. It's kind of trash. Opening up with a plastic knife. God. Oh, this sucks. Let me show you what I got. Let's see. Purchase this right now. Oh, great. More wrappings that I have to take off now. Take this out. Take it off. There you go. Throw it on the floor because I don't care, but wow. Look at this. This is nice. The Creator Edition Hero Black GoPro. This is fire. I can't wait to use this. I wanted a DJI, but you know what? It's okay. I've had GoPro for years. I always like GoPro, and I cannot wait to try this out. Let's see the specs on this. So the Hero Black 13 has a 5.3K 60 frames per second. Also has 4K 120 frames per second. Has high dynamic range. 10-bit colors. Has a 27 megapixel photo on it. That's pretty fire. It's waterproof, can go up to 33 feet, which is 10 meters. What else does it have? 5 hours of recording, of 4K recording. Time-lapse 3.0. Don't know what that is. Well, kind of do, but I kind of don't. Super photo plus HDR plus RAW. That's pretty fire. And it also comes with a light mod, medium mod, magnetic latch mount, extra battery, and a grip and a traveling case. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Cool. I'm gonna put this aside. Right here. Next one. Last one. All Black Friday sale. I paid like almost $700 for this. This is the one that I was really excited for. It's called the GoPro Fluid Pro AI. This is pretty cool. It also comes with an interchangeable phone clamp, 1/4 by 20 camera bracket, AI, subject tracking module with built-in light, 3-axis stabilization, unlimited 360 panoramic, wireless camera control, 18 hours of battery life. That's amazing. And yeah, pretty much it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm about to rip off the wrap and I'm about to open it in a second. Very simple. Look at that. Look at that. I can't throw on the floor because I don't care. Let me... I don't know. I have a thing like smelling new things. It smells brand new. It smells brand new. You guys should take advantage of the Black Friday sale. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. Look at that. Wow. Look at this beauty right here. I can't wait to try this out. Gonna do some daily vlogging with this. Amazing. Where is it? Boom. Go on the floor. that right now. Oh, okay, my bad, a lot of paperwork. But look at that. Look at this camera. Oh. Trying to, what the heck? Come on, come on, come on, get off, get off, get off. Look at that. Look how nice and small that is. I can get like the head mount, chest mount. I could do a lot of stuff with this right now. I guess this is the case where you put like the medium mount or the light mount. The light's right here. The battery, pretty small. And the mount right here to place when you want to go outside and record.